Hey everybody, it's me Megs, and I am back with another video, a new video. Do I look different? So I decided to get a blowout at the 1 year mark of me being natural, and this is my look. This is what we have going on. I am so pleased with the way my hair has turned out, the overall health, the overall look. It looks amazing. Like, I couldn't have imagined, like, okay, this is where I'm gonna be at a year, you know, natural. So I decided to get a blowout a year after big chopping, just to kind of like see, like, where is my hair going, what is it doing, what is it looking like. So this is about 2 to 3 days after my initial salon visit. So my hair is getting way down because I have been putting, you know, some things on it for maintenance. So like I said, I am a year fully natural. I did transition for a year prior to big chopping. So I started my transition in January 2016, big chopped January 2017, and decided to get my hair blown out and, you know, slayed by Micha B January 2018. So it's been 2 years since I've had a relaxer. So my last relaxer was 2016. So that was the last time that I've seen my hair fully straightened like this, center part and all, in 2 years. I haven't put any heat on it myself, besides when I had a photo shoot with KRS Hair Group and they flat ironed a little bit of leave out right there. But other than that, this is the first time heat has been put on my hair. So I did visit Micha B. She's a celebrity hairstylist that I've been knowing since 2014, and there wasn't anyone else that I trusted more to put their hands all up and through my natural hair. So her specialty is natural hair, weaves, color, pretty much everything, you name it. So I definitely felt safe going to her because I knew I was in good hands, and she has an amazing team there. So she is located in downtown LA, and I'll have all her information down in the description below if you're interested in checking it out. Let me tell you about my salon experience first before we get into like the look of it all. Megs, and today I'm getting my natural straightened. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me with my whole salon visit. So let's get started. The shampoo was amazing. She has these great products in her her salon that are really great quality. I think they're by Kristen S or something like that. I'll put the name down in the description because I was like, you know, they were using the products. I was like, what's that? That smells good. Let me know what that is. And she's like, oh, these can be found at Target. So I went to Target to try to find these products today. They weren't there, so that means that they're good. It was only like 2 products on the shelf. That means they're bomb products. Conditioning was great, but the shampoo experience was probably one of the best things because I haven't had anyone touch my hair in 2 years, and to really get in there and scalp, you know, massages and, you know, just really getting in there, it felt amazing. And she also uses sea breeze, like a sea breeze treatment, and that was a great experience too because it's like a nice cooling sensation. It kind of rids all the extremities on the scalp, and that just felt, oh, it felt great, and I can't wait to go back and get that same treatment again. Also, the deep conditioning situation was great too because what they do is they're really gentle there. Like, I have never had my hair like in such like gentle care before at a salon because, you know, my past salon experiences were a lot different from when I started going to Micha B occasionally. But I think after today I might be seeing her a little bit more. They really made sure that they put the conditioner on each section and really gently detangle your hair to make sure that the conditioner was thoroughly from root to end, and it felt amazing. I got a deep condition. I sat underneath the dryer for about, what, 15 minutes, and it just felt oh so amazing. My hair felt really moisturized and soft. And also, I did get the blowout. Now, I will admit, during the blowout, I was really scared because I was like, you know, when you get your hair blown out natural, and that was the first time I had a blowout with the blow dryer. I felt like I I could see through my hair. I was like, my hair looks really thin, like on the ends. Like I was thinking like, oh, she's gonna have to cut off a lot of hair, because with how I think, see-through ends mean, okay, that's damaged. So I was like, am I taking care of my natural hair? Am I doing an okay job? So when I did see my hair blow dried, I was discouraged. I was a little nervous. I was like, I don't know how I feel. Something's not looking right. She proceeded to straighten my hair with the press and comb, and Micha doesn't believe in doing hard presses. She does a really nice light press. So she wants to make sure that when I do come back, or when I do wash my hair next, it will revert back. So she did a nice light press, and my hair was so feathery and so bouncy that day. And I did get a trim. I really like that Micha believes in actually doing trims. Like, she doesn't give haircuts, and she made that very clear in the video that she does trim. She doesn't do haircuts.
That's exactly how you know we're doing the right amount of trim, because we're not taking off the thickness, just a little bit of that part. Okay,
so she trims off exactly what needs to be trimmed. Now with my hair, which I knew was probably a possibility, I have a lot of different layers in my hair, and it's kind of unintentional, because when I chopped my hair in those twists, right? You guys remember? So my hair was like all different kinds of lengths in different areas. So I do have some layers in here. My hair is not all one length. She said that my hair is doing really well, and being that this was the first time that I had my hair trimmed within the 2 years, there were some splits in there, and she saw a couple splits in areas, and she said, you know, while your hair is straight right now, make sure you just use some grapeseed oil on the ends and put a little bit throughout your hair before you wrap it at night. So I have been doing that, which is why my hair looks a little way down. And this goes into the next thing, where people are like, does your hair seem fuller since you're natural? Does it seem healthier? I'm gonna say yes, my hair seems healthier since going natural, because there's absolutely no chemicals in it. So I feel like your hair is automatically going to be healthier regardless, because you don't have the chemicals. I feel like my hair kind of looks like my relaxed hair when it was at its highest healthy peak. So I feel like it kind of still looks the same as far as thickness. But then again, I feel like it doesn't look the same, because I feel like my hair is a lot fuller because it's pressed. I feel like a pressed look has a different look than a flat iron relaxed look, and I absolutely prefer this look. So the next thing that you're probably going to be wondering, like, are you going to continue to get your hair blown out? Like, is this going to be a regular thing? I'm not sure yet. I don't know. I don't know if this is going to be like how I'm just going to be wearing my hair, or if this is just going to be like a kind of like a thing where I do every couple of months. So if I could think, I think I might get my hair blown out again in another 6 months to really see what length I have. I think I might just kind of get it blown out for special occasions if I need to. Overall, I'm really pleased with the length. With my hair being natural, I kind of just wear it in, you know, protective styles, like 24/7. If I do anything, it's kind of like a twist out, and I wear it in its natural state. So I kind of had an idea that my hair was going to be around shoulder length, but I wasn't really completely sure the length it was going to be after the trim and everything. I thought I was going to be a little shorter, but I'm really pleased with it. So yeah, I don't know if this is going to be a regular thing I do. We'll see if I change my mind. I think that is about it. Overall, I love the overall health of my hair. I feel like this blowout really allowed me to see like what I need to do more. I definitely think I'm going to start kind of like going a little in with the castor oil. If you guys do have any questions, feel free to ask me, and I'll be really happy to answer those. And for sure there will be more videos following up my post blowout, and you know how I'm taking care of my hair with that, and things of that nature. So all information that you may need to know is in the description about my salon experience, and additional videos and things like that are linked down there. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.